In this video, we're looking at finding domain and range on graphs that have a start and a stop point. Notice this one has a start and a stop. We talked about when we studied these in the first place that we would have kind of a little setup for each one. Since we noticed it was a start and a stop, that means our x or our y is going to be in between 2 points. So we're going to go ahead and start with our x and our y. And it was always easiest for us just to go ahead and put less than symbols around those. Alright, I need to know what these 2 points are. So this one is at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Negative 4, negative 3. This point is at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's at 3, 2. Alright, so if I'm looking at my two x values, and notice this one starts here, and we go to here. So our x values go from negative 4 all the way to positive 3. Notice I put the smallest one here since we use those less than symbols. For our range, the lowest point on my graph is here at the negative 3, and the highest point is up here at the 2. So I'm going to put negative 3 up to 2. Now, where that negative 4 was, for our x value, there was an open circle. Remember, when there's an open circle, that means that point is not included in our answer, so we don't put an equal to. Where the 3 is, for our x value, there's a closed circle. Since there's a closed-in circle, that means that our answer can be equal to that, so we need to go ahead and put an equal to in our answer. For the range, down on the negative 3, the lowest part of our graph had an open circle, which means the negative 3 is not included, so we don't put an equal to. If we go up to the top point, the highest y value is 2. Notice it has a shaded in circle, so since it is shaded in, that means it's included in our answer, so it can be equal to. That's our domain and range for a start-stop problem. Let's practice with one more. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and draw my setup. I know my x and my y are going to be in between two values. Now I need to know what the values are for each one of those points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is negative 4, positive 6. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is 5, negative 4. So if I'm looking along my x-axis, my x starts here and goes to here. So it starts at negative 4 and it goes all the way to 5. For my y value, the lowest part on my graph is here, highest part of my graph is here. So the low part, the y value is negative 4, high part goes up to 6. Notice both of these are shaded in. That means both of them are included, which means we should have a lot of equal to in our domain and range inequality symbols. So here at negative 4, I have a closed-in circle, so I get an equal to. Here at 5, I have a closed-in circle, so I get an equal to. At negative 4, for the y, I have a closed-in circle, so it gets an equal to. And up at 6, there's a closed-in circle, so it gets an equal to.